New Smyrna. She's got 300 miles on her since the repair. This was a 6.8 liter V10 with a broken exhaust manifold that turned into a can of worms. When we pulled it apart, the stud on the driver's side, front bottom cylinder, well, the front bottom bolt was actually drilled crooked and repaired. When we pulled that stud out, we had when I pulled the stud out, I had a coolant leak. They took a 8mm stud, drilled it out. I think 3/8 coarse thread is threaded rod is what was in it. I am amazed that I was able to repair this, but as you can hear, it is running, driving. I have about 300 miles on it since the repair. I thought for sure I was going to have to replace the head, but for the time being, it looks good.